The student gets to be featured in my video. Silent eaters. The student does too. So fast run down. You need help opening. Can you open this? Can you open this?
Yeah, we have bananas too.
You can read that thing.
Look at those silent eaters.
Serene, put down please.
Don't videotape Jackson.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Anaya?
Please give me a second snack.
Yes, you may. Gabe, do you have permission to get up? Yes? Yes, you may.
Here's one that's eating.
Positive things, Shane. Which one is you do?
Next row. Look at that food. That's very yummy. Zooming back in. Get a little bit of that blood. But we gotta get in there. Where's it? That one's this one's and let's get him right there. He's eating.